In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we share the story of a teen in Trelawney who has big dreams for his crab business. Ken Morgan tells us more.
If you're traveling along the Salt Marsh Main Road in Falmouth, Trelawney, chances are you've passed this sign or even stopped to show patronage. In the blazing sun is where you'll find 16-year-old Dion Downer. He sells boiled and curried crab. It's an idea he came up with after his father, who's the breadwinner of the family, met in a car accident.
And he said to me, Daddy, you know me going to go out and catch some crab and come back and sell. I said, D, you know me don't want you to go out and catch some crab by yourself alone, you know. But anyway, I said, all right then, go ahead and catch it then. First thing saying, go and sell it to somebody. When he bring it to the somebody, so they never want no more to buy. I said, buy some already. So I said, all right, Daddy, me going to go out the road and cook it and sell, you know. So I said, all right, D, all right, go ahead and do it then. Then he come back. When he come out the road, he sell off quick.
He was 10 years old at the time. And 6 years later, the business is booming. At dawn each morning, Dion sets out to prepare for the day ahead. And by the time the sun is out, he has already recovered his expenses. It's a feat fueled by determination, especially when he has school.
Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I'm so tired where I feel like can't manage this today, but still get up and still do it.
Added to that, Dion is determined to take the pressure off his father.
Because I don't want him to fall back in that situation where you have to do a whole heap of work.
Yeah, he's doing great, and this can show some other kids that they can do the same. Keep away from trouble, keep away from certain things, and move ahead with their life.
Furthermore, Dion says he's empowered through independence.
It makes me feel more mature, like that. I don't have to really depend on people, and we can do things in many ways.
And his clientele?
If we don't come out, the customers them go drive, come around our house, and then in now stop, we have a whole heap of customers who call the phone them.
The teen who recently hosted a crab fest is aiming to raise capital to buy land, on which he hopes to one day open a restaurant.
Everybody can do something in life, and nobody knows it just sit down and lazy and say, we can't do this, that too hard. Nothing no hard. Everybody can do something. I one day have to reach somewhere in our life.
With A Ray of Hope, I am Ken Morgan.